everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here and welcome to my birthday vlog. This year I am turning 25. I am nervous and excited at the same time. I am very excited because I am turning 25 and I'm nervous because I'm turning 25. It's a mixed feeling. I don't know how to explain this. Mom and me, we both are ready. It's not yet 12 and it's not a surprise birthday party because this is something that my fiance did literally. He got everything arranged, and give me a second, I'll show you guys around, and I guess in 15 minutes it's gonna be 12. So yeah, and we are all ready and set, kind of overdressed for the birthday party at home, but still, who cares? It's my birthday, my rules. So it's 5 minutes to 12. The cake is already here. I'm gonna show you guys how the cake looks. Just give me a second. You are not visible, it's just too bright. The audience are... So here are all the gifts, and all these gifts are by my fiance, and we'll show you guys what's inside. So this is what my fiance gifted me. It's a fossil watch. Now we are done cutting the cake. We'll have some wine. So that's it for today's night. That's it for today, but tomorrow is gonna be a very fun packed day, so watch out for tomorrow. Finally, I am ready and it's my birthday eve, and this is what exactly I am wearing. I am so excited about today's dress. This dress is by my fiance. He literally made it a point to send across this from Germany, and I am kind of obsessed because this is what he personally got designed from a boutique, and oh my god, it's so flary, it's so nice. Now I am going out with my mom and we are actually going for shopping. I'll just take you guys along, so come follow me around. So this is what finally I decided to go for. It's a very pretty ring. dinner. Here's Shavik who is driving, and in the back that's my dad and that's mum. So we all are going out for dinner and we'll see you guys there. Going back to home. That's it for today's vlog. Thanks a lot for watching and joining in, and this means a lot. That's it. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.